Hey everyone, Jeff Calaguar from WeTrainCoaches.com here. Hey, today I'd like to address a pretty pressing question. Will AI replace coaches? Have you ever thought about that? I must admit I was a bit skeptical about it and even freaked out about the whole AI thing, but I'd like to take a closer look, and I think there's no doubt that AI is advancing rapidly, both in terms of its users and its capabilities, and it's recently amassed over 100 million users on ChatGPT. In general, AI offers insight, answers questions, provides recommendations, even generates content, a lot of things that coaches do. And they work with areas like fitness and language and career development, leadership, marketing strategy. And whether we like it or not, the revolution is happening at an astonishing pace. And I think we're just scratching the surface. So initially I had my concerns and wonder if AI would eventually take our jobs. Would it replace coaches and consultants? And that's where I think you might think my answer would be, well, no. And my answer is, well, first, yes, and then no. So first, yes, I think there's aspects of coaching and consulting that can and will be replaced by AI. They can answer questions, offer feedback, help people set goals, create business plans, life plans. AI assistants can help with management, marketing, effective communication. And there's no doubt that coaches and consultants do that, and AI can do it sometimes better. However, there's a crucial reason why my answer is the other part, no. Coaches are human, and coaches are human. And those who develop their own unique brand and their coaching identity really have a leg up. A computer-generated interface can't replace your human essence or offer the kind of personal touch that you bring to coaching. And the more authentically you flow and do that from your uniqueness, the more successful you'll be and the more you won't be replaced. My wife Mindy once said there's a difference between the transfer of information and transformation. And that's why I believe that as a transformational coach, you offer a profound level of personal ability to understand someone's dreams, their goals, the real them and them, and you empower them to reach their full potential. You look inside of them and you can see their God-given gifts, their unique abilities, and pull them out. So great news, AI can automate certain tasks that assist you as a coach and maybe even allow you to become deeper in those areas. Spend more time at places like Whisper Ranch, really getting in touch with yourself, grow your own soul. And so there's a value of how you can use AI. The things that define you as a coach, your personal brand, the more you develop and grow that, the more it's irreplaceable. AI can't replace that. And the deeper connection you establish with your clients, the more they'll realize that that can't be, no computer generated thing can replace that. So I think it's exciting to imagine a world where we get to shape both utilizing AI as coaches and working hand in hand to grow ourselves to be able to show up fully in a way that's uniquely us with our clients. So what if you as a coach become on the leading edge of both using AI and growing your unique coaching potential? Love to hear your thoughts, and as you envision the future, love to hear how you're using AI and how you're growing as a coach. Guys, thanks for joining me on the journey, and make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and then also connect with us and subscribe on WeTrainCoaches.com. God bless you guys.